This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing access and clearing the path. Sign in with your account and confirm 2FA is active because authentication prevents session drops. Once done, install or update the client to the latest stable build so features match the guide. Next, free system resources, close apps, switch power to high performance, and verify network stability. This reduces latency and prevents mode activation failures. These actions set the stage for configuration and let you proceed without basic interruptions. Now you configure the engine that actually starts play mode. You open settings and enable the play mode toggle so the runtime can allocate resources. This step matters because background toggles block activation. Then assign your controller or keyboard mapping and set input latency to a practical window, 30 to 60 ms, so responsiveness matches your hardware. Make sure graphics target 60 FPS at 1920 x 1080 or use scaling. Balance settings prevent stutters when play mode. Finally, you enable play mode and watch the startup sequence. Click Start or enter play mode and monitor the console for status updates because those messages tell you why something might fail. If activation fails, inspect logs for authentication, network, or resource allocation errors. These are the usual culprits. As a practical fix, restart the client, re-authenticate, lower graphics or close background apps to free memory. If problems persist, collect logs and retry. This resolves most issues and gets you into play mode reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.